Hey guys, Josh here. So I'm trying to get I'm trying to get my friends to play Theo Town. So I wanted to show everybody in my friend group how to play. Just so first we have to select a region. This is bigger, so this gives us more to work with, right? I mean, this is a city. Let's see. Should be a thing. Region. Oh, okay. So this is what we can work with. Unlock. Alright, so we gotta watch an ad. Let's just let's turn the volume on this off. So unfortunately, and for some reason it's playing captions on my phone, so we're gonna pause and then get back to it when the ad's over. Okay, so I exited out of the ad and we click new city. Now, so on easy you get more demand. Let's see, sandbox. Sandbox, you experiment without money. You want some sort of, in our region, we don't do sandbox. We do, you're limited by money. You can't just be the most happy by spending. We live in the real world. Okay, so city name. Roll the dice to get a random city name. Okay, let's go with Atamo. So click start. Now it's gonna ask, hey, so it's saying, do I wanna buy these 3 buildings for 250? I don't. I just want to watch ads to get the diamonds and unlock them. Okay, so we've got a road. We've got this little region. So first, this road actually might be the most out of the way thing because we don't want to put lots of zones, right? We have our zones. Residential means homes, commercial means businesses like mom and pop shops, and then industrial means commercial stores. Industrial can, right? So we have farms, industrials, factories. That's literally all it means. It's just a euphemism for factories. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do, we need to supply power. So the only thing we've unlocked wires. Well, wires don't create energy, they transmit energy. Right? So we're gonna put a solar panel. Oops. We're gonna build. So now we observe what we get. We get 50 kilowatts. It's gonna cost us 800. So 100,000 is gonna cost us 800. And it's gonna cost us 20. So we have to create, yeah, I want this right here. Let's exit out. Now it's creating it. Next thing I want water, but I want to plan this. So I'm thinking first I want to pause this because there's no point in letting time run away. So we want a road. We want the only road we've got is a dirt road. Now we want a dirt road going to our farms, right? This is the beginning of our region. We want to start off agrarian. So create a road that goes here. Now, we need to connect our power plant to a continuous amount of zones. So now we have a farm connected to that. Now let's say we want some commercial, like a local farmer's market. We're gonna create right here, and we're gonna create another road. Go to transport road. See, all these are locked except for dirt road, where we're going to create here, and we're gonna go here, and then we're gonna have some houses. So here's how I go about. Let's go through how we're doing a zone. So I click on the zone, I click residential, I click 1, 2. I'm specifically placing the houses because I want these paired, and then I also want them in a certain formation. I want them too deep, right? So let's speed this up. Oops, I forgot one thing. I wanted to order this so I could place the water pipe out of the way. So this will develop, but we also need to supply another thing. We need to supply water. So the water tower stores water, but it's not actually so I kind of judge myself on the in-game time. It's kind of like a challenge where you put objectives. So we're gonna continue this out. So if I'm scrolling, you see I'm scrolling side to side. All right, I click this. I click the object that we have in motion. Now we can see we want to build this under the road. It just makes the most sense. But it's red. It's red because we have a pipe. We have a pipe going to the water tower. It's saying it's red. So let's click on this. So watch. Want to get some diamonds for free? Okay, let's get this and turn this. So we're done watching the ad. It'll give you a Google ad based off of. Okay, so we got these houses are developing. This water tower is developing. There are buildings without energy. There are buildings with. Okay, so we made a little mistake. So what's without energy? Because this is connected to that, and that's connected to that. Let's continue. So it's going over that water. So basically, a lot of this game, see, we're making the amount of let's call it Tim's, because the currency. Let's call it Theos. So our Theos is going up because every zone pays taxes. So see, let's speed this up. So it's going to take about 30 days to develop the water tower. So if we want to go cheater mode, we either have to watch an ad or have to pay. So that's actually what we pay. That's what we have. So we have 168. So potentially I can buy somebody a region, and then they're unhappy. Here's the thing, happiness is going up. Now we can go, what are we judged on? Environment, good, because we only have farms. So generally, the way it works is farms produce less pollution than manufacturing, but they don't really produce the jobs or the taxes. So here's the thing. Right, here's the thing, so it doesn't require as much energy, and it doesn't hurt the environment. In SimCity 4, farms pollute the water, but it doesn't seem like farms pollute the water. In SimCity 4, farms pollute the water, factories pollute the air, but farms don't seem to pollute that much. Whereas in this, factories pollute both the air and the water. So we have religion. We don't religion, education, police, fire brigade. So these could go down. So transportation's going down. That's what we're doing worst at. Because we have everything going for a dirt road. So first off, how are we going to manage this? We go to transport, we go to road, and then we can connect this so they're going around. Exit out. So these will be unlocked when your level goes up. So we're in isolated dwelling. So we check on this. This is called our RCI. Now we have too much industrial. Industrial is both farms and industry. The more dense the industry, this is not how dense it is. The denser industry tends to be high tech where they work in it. Here's the thing. So like residential, poor people can live in high density and wealthy people can live in low density. We have a demand for poor people, residential. They can live in high rises, they can live in things that aren't dense. Here's the thing. So, like, we go, let's say, we want to create residential. So, I want them somewhere to live. So, I'm going to create here. And unlike SimCity, this will only charge you for additional spaces. You can go over it and it will charge you 0. And it also doesn't charge you to connect. So say we click on zones, click residential, 1, 2, 1, 2. And if you're doing this in real time, it's more likely to connect these. Here's the thing, anything that's not connected to, they have backyards, but anything that's not connected to a road, I would just dezone. Let's say you want to delete something, so you place commercial. You're like, nope, that doesn't really go there. Here's what you do. You hit the bulldozer, so you can't remove zones. This is the zone removal tool. So hit here. Cool, you removed it, and we just wasted a bunch of money. And now, in general, we unlock things. Now, next step. Let's go to our RCI. So now that we've managed the residential, these poor people want industrial jobs. They want poor industrial jobs. So it kind of simplifies things based off of, you have people that want jobs. You have jobs. You have factories that are going to give incentives for people. Now, I want some farms right in here. So I click here. Click on the farm button, which is unlocked at the beginning. I want to specify, I haven't reached, you reach a level on this map. So let's go. So here's city points. Here's the size of a city, and you can see it goes up to continent, big continent, small planet, big planet, large planet, solar system, and you just keep unlocking things, but you can unlock things with diamonds. So that's how you play. Just remember, you need power and water, and you click on the things, press and scroll. That's all I got. That's a tutorial. Thanks for watching, guys.